Alright, what's going on, man?
We're gonna do, actually we're gonna pull my axle out. We replaced the CB boot before Dumont, and we crimped it. It was nice and tight. It ran for a few trips, Pismo and Dumont, and then it started leaking. So the band just came loose, and now it's shooting out grease. So bought a new clamp, and we're gonna reclamp it, and we're gonna fix my exhaust too as well.
Oh yeah.
We're gonna remount that.
Let's do that.
So I think that's what we're gonna do today.
That's what we're doing.
Yep.
We picked up some CV grease. CV grease is different than regular grease. So I grabbed some of this, but that's what was available to us. He has the actual OEM clamp.
Yep.
I actually have some clamps as well that I used on my car, but OEM clamp is cooler, so we're gonna use that.
That's what we're gonna do. Let's pull this guy in.
Let's do this thing.
Let's do it.
Oh man.
If I have my key.
I can't even tell you guys. AC's running. For those of you that have told us over and over, don't worry about it, don't shut it off, we can't hear it. It's running. Because I'm telling you, you get right to here, and it's not even a hot day today, but it's hotter than I want to be. And here's a wall. It starts, let's see, cool air is about, it's creeping in, so cool air ends about here. Warm air starts about here, and a wall of warm air hits hard about right here.
Oh, listen to that. No little rattle. No little rattle.
Wow, it is a lot quieter. Actually, it's amazing how much quieter it is.
Woo! Look at
Quieter.
check this out. My mom packed me a lunch today too.
Oh my god.
Bologna sandwich and some chips.
Better have two.
Yes.
Alright, we're gonna shut that door down and keep the cool air in. We're gonna stick a jack.
Where's your
blocks
side?
on the side of the house. Should be stacks of all kinds of stuff. I've been thinning down and organizing into what we need.
Alright.
Alright, we grabbed some blocks of wood. Basically,
I think I need some more.
we should have sprayed that off. It's gonna be dirty.
Oh, that's right.
You want to spray it off real quick?
Let's do it.
Let's do it. Alright, we don't want to get that dirty. We don't mind getting dirty, but that's lots of dirty.
Yeah.
So we're gonna spray this off. So what's going on, man?
You need to find your air gun. Plug it in the air.
Air gun, very bottom drawer. We're gonna pull this wheel off. So what we did is we just went out and sprayed this thing off because it was a dirty, greasy mess. I don't know if I showed you before, but there you go. It was like the rest of this in here. CV's been leaking, grease all over the place. Alright, pull this wheel off and tear into this thing. What is he doing?
For the plastic cap,
Oh yeah.
I'm never a fan of this.
Actually, if you get a screwdriver,
Yeah, I've done that before, but it's like a pain in the fucking ass.
you just kind of put those down.
Yeah. Let's do that. It's easier, I'll just do this right here and...
We'll do it.
Right there.
There you go.
Woo!
Money.
I'm not a wrencher, but I do have some ideas.
That's right.
Alright, so let's do this here.
What are you doing now, Mr. Wrencher?
Mr. Richard, gotta take the axle nut out. You have a 30?
MW.
You have a
30?
Mary?
Man.
I need a 30.
What do we have? 30. Because I bought one for this very purpose.
That's what I did. Heather. Ouch.
All right.
I don't know. Dean Hoover said we should have a ambulance on site.
I told him I'm going to start a GoFundMe so we can hire an EMT for on site.
I checked into that. For them to be parked out here for 3 hours, it's fucking $500.
That's it?
Just for 3 hours though.
Nothing compared to what we make off these videos.
Alright, this one's easy. thing came off easy.
I don't think it was torque.
No, I didn't have a torque wrench. I just feel like tightened it down before I went, so my bad. Okay, so we got a 15. We got the caliper off. I don't know, it was just over there.
Good job. Here's an impact too.
Got that.
Alright, we got this guy. You want all the extensions Danny likes?
You got a swivel? You don't have swivels?
Probably not.
All the Harbor Freight shopping you do, you don't have any swivels?
All the Harbor Freight ones break, that's why I don't have
Hey,
any.
I'm a non-wrencher, but they work. I use them like twice a year.
Well, if you use them 4 times a year, they break.
They break. Alright, how do I do this? Let's do it. I'm gonna need a shorter 15.
Let me go see what you got.
I'm gonna need a shorter 15 here.
Right, and straight the next row over. Alright, now we're gonna hit this whole rear assembly apart. Alright, so grab a regular ratchet right here. I'll grab you one. The longer
Give me a
one.
15 open in. Let's break them off for you.
This guy. He's a wreck.
Holy shit.
Alright, here you go. Here's a wrench and here's a ratchet just in case.
That few loosey.
Wrong way.
Huh? I know. Gotta go this way.
Hang on. This is where the non-wrencher comes in.
Go. There we go. Shit. Alright, cool.
Alright. We're gonna get this apart. We'll come back and show you where we're at. What's going on, man?
Okay, D.
Alright, so we stopped videoing. We kind of jumped ahead. We got, things are taken apart and off, and axle's out. Axle's over here. What we're gonna do here in a minute, I gotta grab something.
What do you got, man?
I'll show you.
Alright.
Ready? This is
Check
my
it out.
secret recipe. So straighten this vise back out a little bit. Clamp it down right here. This is my secret recipe.
There you go.
I don't have any soft jaws. So we're gonna make some right
There you
here.
go.
So we're gonna drop this axle in there.
Oop, let me get on this side. There we go.
I'm gonna drop this axle in place right here. Because we're gonna have to,
Take this thing apart,
gotta
check
do
the CV, because we might
we were
might have a
gonna-
bad CV.
We were gonna put a clamp on it because it's spitting out some grease around the clamp quite a bit. But we started filling the CV.
It feels a
not-
little stiff and it kind of jumps around.
It does not feel right.
And that wasn't the case in February. It went around smoothly,
Yeah, might have got a little too dry.
probably.
So let
Just
me
rode it
grab-
too hard, man.
Can't get under it. There we go.
Sweet. Let's see how empty this thing is.
Alright, let's pull this back and see what
Oh, she's empty.
well, it's not so much in there you're worried about, it's inside of here.
Yeah, I know, on the CV, but at the same time, we just did like 2 mountain trips on that thing. I don't know, it wasn't really going that fast, but I got hot and
I'd probably just buy a new axle one day and be done with it. Cause it's not right. I mean, you can probably get that CV. Anyway, that's where we're at. What do you want to do?
well, we're gonna take a little quick break and I'm gonna think about it.
Okay,
I'm one of those guys that needs to think.
we'll be right back.
What do we got, buddy? What are we doing over here?
Okay, so what's going on is we got this axle apart and we're a little concerned about the CV because we might have run it too long dry. The other problem is that this doesn't feel right. The other problem is that the clamp itself was super loose and it was an OEM clamp like this. So we're gonna try this one, but I have some backup clamps as well. I think we're gonna try this one because I don't know if I can do it with the tool I have.
I got a question.
What's
Can we use the OEM one and an aftermarket one together? Double clamp it?
Yeah, it's not enough room.
How about a zip tie, just for backup?
Zip tie. It's good to go. Zip tie we can do. We don't have the proper tool for this guy. Actually, this would still be a good look too. We don't have the proper tool for this guy. I'm gonna order one later just so I have it. So for what we're gonna do right now, I have these on my car. They've worked perfectly fine for us. So we're gonna slide one of these guys on and call it good. Oh, as long as we get it tight, that's all that matters. Now I'm gonna rock it over. And then I forgot some drivers. Give me those red Craftsman.
Yeah.
Nope.
Oh, that's the same thing. Yeah.
Now we're gonna make sure that's tight enough. If it's tight enough, oh yeah. So take something like this, because if you're working on this thing and you get a hold of it, it will cut you. And I roll them under, and then I smash them.
Oh, be the man.
Oh. All right, let's see how this feels. Spins. But it's not as loose as the OEM one.
Fuck it.
We
Like
could
I
do it
said,
again.
I'm gonna, because you're not going all the way tight because you don't want to snap it.
Well,
like the first time?
Honestly, I think this thing may have been spinning and wore out that boot surface.
Gotcha. I see what you're saying. Well, let's just put it on right now. We'll put it back on the car. Like I said, I don't know if I'm gonna do.
Yeah.
But let me see. Next trip is gonna probably be about a couple weeks for a mountain trip. I can run it there, and then order a new axle, put that one in.
And we're gonna slide it back in the car. So let's do that.
Yep.
Let's do that.
Let's go.
Let's knock that right down there.
All right, we'll be right back.
So look, Uriah got all crazy and he popped the axle in. We didn't even get to see it. He pulled it out. We didn't get to see it. Put it in. We didn't get to see it. Now we're gonna put this back together. What are you doing over there? What
in
part of
the
the assembly are you in?
Oh, well, I'm just gonna kind of piece it together, you know.
Yeah.
Just go, you know,
We're gonna have to
go
run
slow, you know, go a little at a time. Let's see here. All right, let's do this. All right, you know what? Let me get comfortable here. Move some of this stuff out of the way.
Uh-oh, he's getting on the
Camera
floor.
makes me nervous. Like I've done this a couple times in my garage, and it went on pretty smooth. But then I go somewhere else, and it's like I feel like I'm.
Yeah.
I feel like somebody's watching me.
They are.
All right, so let's put that. My bad.
But
You don't know what I just did right now? Forgot to put my radius rod in.
oh, you're putting it.
Yeah, I just slipped a freaking bolt in it.
Yeah.
I was like,
You don't want that in there. That kind of.
Like
It's
one
kind of like
idiot.
3 different parts at once you got to put together. It's kind of a pain.
it's kind of a pain. Let's see here.
I don't think mine's been apart. The rear end of my car.
Seriously?
You gotta have all your misalignment spacers.
Yep.
Good.
Oh yeah.
As I look for a better way to get through another boring day, oh yeah, oh yeah. I turn to you for a little while, hoping to catch a forbidden smile, oh yeah, oh yeah. Standing on the edge.
Alright, what's going on, man?
We're wrapping things up right now. So
This bench is the aftermath of what happened right here just now. We're gonna
Aftermath.
clean this up before we have some more. We have some more projects coming up tomorrow. I don't know when that video will be online, but We're gonna clean this up tomorrow when we work on that project.
Yes.
But right now we're done for today.
Yep, and we are, looks like the CV axle, I'm gonna have to keep this one as a spare.
Yeah. We're a little concerned about the CV itself. Yeah.
It's no good. It's no good. So I was trying to convince myself, it's still good, it's still good, I could use it. But I'm gonna go order a new one.
Yeah, just do axle end to end, that way you have both new CVs, fresh axle.
Yep, keep this one in the trailer, you know, in the spare, and that's about it. So, but
you know what? Reach down there and see if that's any tighter. Just out of curiosity.
oh yeah, yeah, it turns a little bit, but you gotta use a lot of force.
Yeah. But it's
a lot better.
Yeah.
A lot better.
So anyway.
So I'll keep this on to next year.
Yeah.
Knowing me, I'll probably just forget. Have a new axle on the fucking
Don't have this axle. When you get that new axle, let's put it on. Don't have this axle on this car when we hit Glamis in October.
Definitely.
You don't want that.
Definitely. And then tomorrow, we'll put like a little goodie on the front bumper tomorrow.
Yeah.
So that'll be fun.
That's, like I said, that'll be a video that comes up soon. So in the meantime, we're gonna check out. Thanks for watching. Thanks for subscribing if you already have. What's the rest?
The rest is subscribe, hit the like button, comment below, and thanks for viewing, guys. I think I'm getting a little bit better at that, huh?
All right. All right. Thanks, guys. Thanks for watching. Brandy said peace.
All right. See you guys.